Now we're going to take a look at the Format menu in Google Sheets. When I click on Format, my first option is to choose a theme. When I select Theme, I have quite a few different choices that I can then customize. These will just have some preset fonts and colors for you to use on your spreadsheet. Once I select any of the themes, you'll see that the font automatically changes on the sheet, and if I had more data, you would see charts and graphs change to match as well. If I click on Customize, I can then choose the exact font that I want to use, and then I can also change the default colors for that theme. When I'm happy, I just click Done, and the theme is set for my spreadsheet. Below Theme, you have your number options. The first two are automatic. Automatic means that the spreadsheet will try to guess what type of number you have on your spreadsheet. Plain text means it'll read it exactly as you type it. It won't try to auto-format any of your text. Sometimes it's nice to paste just as plain text. That way the formatting from another site or another spreadsheet won't copy over to your spreadsheet. The number option will add commas and decimals. So if I type in a number and then I choose Format, Number, and I choose the number type, it puts in those commas and the decimal places. Under number, you have percent. So if I have a number in this cell and I go to Format, Number, and I choose percent, it's going to give me that percentage. If I want it to show up as 85% rather than 8,500%, I simply type in 0.85, select that cell, go back to Format, back to Number, and choose percent. You can also choose to show a number in scientific notation. So if I click Format and then Number and then Scientific, it'll show it in that view. Next, we have some different currency or dollar formatting. So if I click on the currency here and go back to Format and then Number, the accounting style is going to add the dollar sign. It'll put the dollar sign all the way over to the left of the cell. When I go back to Format, Number, and choose Financial, it leaves the dollar sign out of the cell. The next option is Currency, which puts the dollar sign right next to the highest value. And finally, our last number option is Currency Rounded, so it won't show any decimal places or cents. Under your currency or your dollar options, you have dates and times. So if I click on this date here where I have typed in April 13th and I go to Format, Number, and I choose the first date option, it's going to change this into month, day, year. I can click back on that and choose any of the other options. I can choose a date and time together if I would like. If I click on the time, I can go to Format, Number, and choose the time option that is here. A lot of times you'll want to customize your date and your time. So if I click back on the date option and I go to Format, Number, you can go down to more formats and choose more currencies or more date and time formats, or a custom number if you would like. So for this one, I'm going to choose more date and time formats. When I do that, there are some examples in this list of how I could see what's showing in the cell. If I want it to say the day of the week, I can choose that. And when I select any of these, in the box at the top, I can completely customize this. So if I click on Day Tuesday, I could change that to just the abbreviation or just the day of the week number. For the month, I can also choose to have the abbreviation, the number, the first letter, etc. For the day, I have other options, and for the year, I have options as well. But notice that there are commas that are typed in this box. Those are also customizable. I can also type text if I would like to. And when I click Apply, it'll apply that format to the cell. So know that you can customize your dates and your times to however you would like. If I click on time, it works the same. Format, number, more formats, more date and time formats. And for this, maybe I want to show without the ending zeros. And there's my customization.